Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ambient mode on YouTube. So let's go to the YouTube mobile application here and make sure you are using YouTube in dark mode. And if you're not, so let's go to you have to click on the profile icon which is on right top side corner, and here you have to click on the settings, and after that you have to go to the general, and here on the appearance you have to click over here and make sure that you have selected dark theme. Okay, and I will just cancel it. So let's say if I want to this video,
Listen to over
okay,
90 million
now
songs
I want to
ad-free and
use
over
in this
15 million
ambient mode,
podcast
right? So right now you have to click on the setting icon which is on top right side corner, and after that here you can see that ambient mode, and right now it's on, right? So here you will get an option here, and if I click on this it will get off, and if I will click in once again it will get on. Right here you will get the notification, and this is only available in the updated version of YouTube. So if you have not updated, just go to the Play Store, or if you are using iPhone, just go to the App Store, and here you have to type YouTube and make sure to update the app, right? So in the place of open there will be option of update, so make sure to update the app. So after that you will get the ambient feature on your YouTube mobile application, right? So it's very easy. So I hope you like this video and do subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.